Hello students, the next technology is cloning. Cloning and recombinant DNA technology, these are interrelated and we often use this term in biotechnology. So let's see what is it. Cloning technology allows us to generate a population of genetically identical molecules, cells, plants or animals. So what we basically do here is we produce exact copies of a particular gene or DNA sequence using this technique. So it will give identical copies, that is exact copies of the either of cell or plant or the animals. Okay. Next, molecular or gene cloning is the process of creating genetically identical DNA molecules. So just now I have told you these technology is used to produce exact copies of DNA molecules to produce a cell, plant or animal. All applications in biotechnology from drug discovery and development to the production of transgenic crop depend on gene cloning. So students, in biotechnology, we are using this technology cloning more often for producing drugs like in insulin, the gene. We can clone that gene into many copies and we will get the same copy of that gene. Again, for development of transgenic crops or animals, we are using this technology. We'll study this in details. Let's see the process. So here, this is our cell, this is the gene, and here we have our gene of interest, the gene that we want to clone. So we cannot directly take out the gene and put in the host. This technology we have also seen in recombinant DNA technology. So just correlate with that. So what we will do, we will take out our gene of interest. Okay. Now, suppose this is our DNA and here only this part we want. This is the gene that we want to clone. So we will take out the gene of interest from the DNA. Now, this gene cannot go to the host directly. We need a vehicle for that. And as I said, the vehicle will be the plasmid. Plasmid, these are present in bacteria. So, these plasmid, these are extra chromosomal DNA. They are taken out from the bacteria. We will take out the plasmid. This is the plasmid. We will recombine these two, the gene of interest and the plasmid. Now this is our vector, and this vector, that is, it will help in transport of the gene into the host cell. So once we combine these two genes, the plasmid and the gene of interest, it form a recombinant DNA plasmid or recombinant DNA. Till here we have seen in recombinant DNA, right? So this is our recombinant DNA. Now we will put this DNA into the bacteria. This is our host or the bacteria. So we will put this in the bacteria. This is our recombinant DNA. Now we will allow the bacteria to reproduce. So once it reproduces, this bacteria will form many copies of the gene. So these are our clones of cells. This bacteria, it will reproduce and it will form many copies of the gene. So this is our clone cell. So this is what cloning is and how it is done. The technology, recombinant DNA technology and cloning, these are often used together, isn't it?